Today I'm going to share an old recipe of my mom's. It's made by flat lima beans or flat beans, which is commonly known as Sheem. So I'm going to wash it and just cut the edges of the flat beans or Sheem just like this and keep it whole. If your lima bean or the Sheem is long in size, then you can divide into 2 pieces. Mine is a little bit small, so I'm going to keep it whole. So after cutting it, I'll wash it again, and now I'll heat a pan. Into it I'm going to add round about 1.5 tablespoon of oil, mustard oil I'm making it. You can make with any oil. And now when my oil is hot, I'm going to add the kalonji or black cumin seeds into it, a pinch of black cumin seeds, and add the flat beans or the Sheem into it. I'll stir it around about 1 or 2 minutes, and then I will add here salt to taste, sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, haldi, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi. I'll mix it and stir it again, and at this time your flame should be low. I'm going to cook this in low flame. We don't want to change the green color of the seed, so cook it in slow flame and stir it. And now after stirring it about 1 or 2 minutes, then I'm going to cover it to boil. It doesn't take much time, so after 3 minutes by cooking in slow flame, and now I will add mustard paste. I have taken here mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, and I will grind it into a mixer jar with 2 green chilies and a pinch of salt, and give here 1 teaspoon of mustard paste here and cook it. And I'll add some green chilies and cover it for around about 2 minutes and add coriander, chopped coriander leaves here, and your dish is ready. Serve it with hot rice and enjoy the dish. The name of the dish is Sheem Paturi, and it's ready. Enjoy it and do let me know in the comments.